Hi friends! In today's video, I'll show you how to draw a beautiful house scenery in a very easy way. Let's begin with the main house, sloping roof on top. Draw a simple rectangle for the walls. Next, a door in the middle.
Nice and slow.
Follow each step, and by the end,
Now you know.
and 2 windows. Keep your lines neat and simple.
Let's all draw. Make a house we all adore.
Draw a wooden fence behind the house to create a cozy backyard.
For everyone. Add a
You'll have an amazing drawing.
triangle on top of that.
Now draw 2 big trees behind the house.
Tall, open wide. Welcome all. Draw, let's all draw. Make a house we all adore.
Make the tree tops fluffy and round, then add thick trunks. And create a stepping stone path leading to the front door. Let's decorate the front yard. Draw small bushes on both sides of the house.
A bird or little mouse. Color red or blue or green. Prettiest house you've ever seen.
Draw a chimney.
And shout hooray!
Add a few colorful flowers and finally, draw the grassy ground around everything. Time to make it colorful.
Let's draw a house.
Red for the roof.
With me. Take your pencil. 1, 2, 3. Draw a square. Nice and slow.
Use bright yellow for the house walls. Use brown for the fence.
Draw, let's all draw. Make a house we all adore. Color bright, have some fun. Drawing time for everyone. Add a roof like
Color the windows blue to look like shiny glass.
that. Draw a door.
Color the trees with light and dark green shades.
Come on. Draw, let's all draw. Make a house we all adore. Windows 2, 1, 2, 3. Look outside and you will see. Draw a sun up in the sky, smiling bright and shining.
And green grass for a fresh, cheerful look.
Inside the house, maybe a bird or little mouse. Color red or blue or green. Prettiest house you've ever seen. Clap your hands, shout hooray! We learned drawing today.
I hope you enjoyed drawing with me. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe to Tums Sketch for more easy drawing tutorials.
1, 2, 3. Draw a square.
Finish with a soft blue sky.
Slow.
Your beautiful house scenery is now complete. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Goodbye.